E-I-E-I-O with a million. Hi everybody.
Hey everybody.
Hi Kurly family.
Hey Kurly family.
Come here, say hi. Anyway guys, welcome. Hello, welcome to our first unboxing on the Kurly Air channel. We are so excited today. Kurly got 3 packages, guys. So stay tuned for our unboxing. Right, baby?
I'll be back.
Say, I'll be back.
I'll be back.
That's right.
I'll be back.
We are back, guys, and I decided to make some new adjustments to the house. So, I changed Kurly's old curtains and everything like that. We bought new curtains, and so we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the first box. And I don't know, you never know what's in either one. But I'm thinking this might be his surprise. I don't know. So guys, everything that I got today is from Walmart, walmart.com. And it was very reasonable, the prices, y'all know that. And also, it did not take a long time to get the packages. So shout out to walmart.com. So this is how it came, guys. It came in bubble wrap. Like that or whatever. Oh, and this is not his nightlight, his surprise. This is his...
No, Mama.
What?
This is my book.
No, it's not a book, baby. This is his window valance. Hey, show the Kurly family. Say, see?
See.
Yeah.
This is my blanket.
Yeah, sit down. No, it's not a blanket. It's for your window. Okay?
It's for my...
So, guys, I believe, I'm not sure. I think this one was 18.
No, it's not the window.
Oh, yes, it is for your window. This is the valance that goes on the top of the curtain, guys. I believe this was 18. Walmart is always changing their prices when it comes to the Mickey Mouse stuff. And I also noticed that they don't have a lot of Mickey Mouse stuff in the stores. Even though it's still popular, they probably say to themselves, Mickey's been around for a long time and they need to put out the latest stuff. So if you're looking for Mickey Mouse, shh.
It's not Mickey Mouse.
If you're looking for Mickey Mouse products, guys, walmart.com. So let's move right on to the next box.
Mickey Mouse. See?
They can't see. You gotta hold it like this. Turn it around. Say, see?
See? Is it? That's around.
Yeah. We back. Here's the second box. And this has some more bubble wrap in it. And this is the window panel. And oh my God, it matches so great, guys. It matches really well. I can't wait to hang up his new curtains. Last box is the surprise.
Surprise!
He actually had another nightlight from Walmart, actually the store, and I looked up on that one, and that one was $4. This one was $12. Baby, back up a little bit so they can see you. Back up. Come here. Here's your surprise. You ready? You ready for your surprise? So, guys, this was $12. I thought it was going to be bigger than this for $12. The other one I paid for at Walmart, the location, actual store, was $4. This was $12. But this is his nightlight, guys. It's so dope. It's dope. And it comes with 6 projectable images. So, guys, we're going to get started on cleaning up Kurly's room, right?
Yes.
Yes. Then we're going to hang up his new curtains and plug in his projectable nightlight. And then tonight, before he goes to sleep, we're going to take some pictures of how it looks. But thank you guys so much for watching Kurly's first unboxing. Right, Kurly?
Yeah.
And we will be back with more videos. Bye, Kurly family. We love you.
No. 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 No.